Today, I guess many people are scared of starting a YouTube channel because there's so many creators and they feel like YouTube is oversaturated. Actually, it may be easier if you shift your focus on getting more subscribers into doing something you're really passionate about and following your interests. So for example, if you're really interested in origami, it would be simple just to record yourself doing it and then post it on YouTube. So today, let's talk about how anyone can blow up in 2025 on YouTube. So first is a big update. So YouTube updated its algorithm so that more small channels are being promoted and getting views very quickly. You can probably see that on YouTube on your homepage, more small channels are being recommended. So more people click on them. And so YouTube actually updated its algorithm to intentionally promote new channels, and they actually have a dedicated team to help small creators because YouTube earns money through ads. So if there's more creators making more videos, they have more videos to put ads on, so they get more money as well. So if the small creator gets more views, they will be more likely to keep making videos. So it's a win-win situation, and it's giving more opportunity for small creators to be discovered compared to before, when mainly on the homepage it would only be creators with loads of subscribers and views that were getting promoted onto the homepage, and it was really hard for small channels to be discovered unless you purposefully searched for them. Secondly is there's three main types of content currently that are the most popular. So the first is journey videos, where people document daily lives to show what they're working on without any fancy editing or animations. So people like this type of content because they see that it's real, and they're tired of perfect overproduced videos made by professionals, and they like the real authentic and the real process of someone actually learning something and going through their lives. So yeah, it shows everything and not just the perfect results. So I was on YouTube and I came across this channel of just this guy who was just going through his daily life but filming it on his iPhone, and it actually got loads of views, even though it was just him going to the gym and then just driving home on his car. And even though sometimes the background music was so loud we barely got to hear his voice, and the lighting was really bad in the car, still many people watched because they wanted that real sense of video instead of the obviously scripted ones. The second one is building in public. So it's where you share the process as you learn something new or build something a new business. So it's where you share the successes and failures, and because people are tired of just success stories and they want to know how the success was built, including all of the setbacks people went through. So I came across this channel that was basically this guy bought an abandoned house, and then he and his wife was renovating it, and sometimes they use professional help from builders, but they documented the whole entire journey, and sometimes they had arguments about how it turned out as well. So and also when one of the ideas failed and didn't end up it was supposed to be, but they managed to get up from it, and eventually they had a very good house, and all of their subscribers were also very proud of them as well. And there's also expert-based videos. That's where you create videos to solve problems with you as the expert. So basically you teach something specific. So you don't try to reach everyone, and only your target audience that has the problems that you're able to solve. So I know this guy on YouTube, he just explains, I think it was marketing strategies, and he just used a whiteboard, and he didn't have any expensive setup, but he still got loads of people watching him because he was providing value for them. So you don't need to be the top expert in your field, and you just need to know more than the people you're trying to help. So even if you just know 20% more, you're still providing value for them, so they'll still continue watching. And your basic knowledge could be like game changing to like other people. So although these like 3 main types are popular, you don't like have to like follow the trends, and instead just like follow what you're interested in and follow what you're passionate about, because that's like one of the only ways you can be very consistent in uploading and also enjoy it the most. Thirdly is making money on YouTube. So you don't need like millions of subscribers to like make money on YouTube. But first just like focus on helping people and providing value for them. So if you like make a video and you genuinely believe you can provide value for them, and then keep on making those videos, eventually the financial benefits will come, like once you're like actually helping people. So you don't need millions of subscribers, and you like focus on YouTube, like and don't like focus on YouTube ad revenue, and instead build something sustainable, because the views, you can't always control how many views you get. But to build something sustainable, your videos need to actually help people instead of just being random or entertainment, because if you provide value for people, they're more likely to continue watching your content. But like if it's like entertainment, then it just goes by quickly. And when you genuinely help people, you can create products and services to help them even more and get more value from that. For example, digital products, courses, or ebooks. And also, one of the most important things is to just like don't overthink it, because you're never going to feel 100% ready. So you should just like start now and upload your first video. Like yeah, even if you're just like really passionate on like origami and you find some new patterns or something and you like upload it onto YouTube, there's bound to be like loads of people who also are interested in that and also likely to watch your videos, because it's like it has such a wide range of audiences. So in conclusion, like some of like most important points are just like now is like one of the best times to start a YouTube channel, because of the algorithm changes and like recommending more small channels, and also to like follow your passion and what you're interested in, and just like focus on providing value before like getting like too like fixated on the amount of views you get and like your subscribers. So I know like my uncle, he really likes cooking, and first he started like a cooking YouTube channel, but like after a while he wanted to start following like the latest trends, and he even learned AI to start a tech YouTube channel. And like it's not really a surprise that he failed in that, because he wasn't doing what he was actually passionate about and enjoyed. And later, now he's like continuing his cooking one, and he's even like improving his cooking skills along the way as well, and he's like way more happier now than before. So that's all for today. Bye.